So the next thing is we want to put another curve on it, just to show that trick again. So shift click Smart Apply, and we'll just select a couple of pieces, maybe these pieces, duplicate this out, Control I, delete everything that isn't associated. And where's it going to sit? It's going to sit there, so we want to scale it in and then move it out. So we're just scaling it in on the origin and then moving it back out. And for this one we can do a radial array, but I'm just thinking in my head as we're setting up if I'm going to do a partial radial array or if I'm going to just do a series of mirrors. Or let's put a subdivision on it just to get a little bit smoother while it's a mesh, and then convert it into a curve, and then let's put a subdivision on that. And so this is our curve so far. If we wanted to radial array, we could just first convert it to a mesh, because we haven't yet added radial array support for curves yet, even though I do think it's quite possible. So under mesh tools, let's control click on radial array, and we're now radial arraying around the 3D cursor. Let's press X a couple of times to change our axis, and this is basically the result that we want. However, we don't want to radial array all the way around in 360, so I'm pressing R to limit it to something like 180. So something like that would actually be cool, but we actually probably do want it to go all the way around. Almost 3 looks cool. Let's just grab this empty, and to just free this array, we are going to just disconnect whatever is driving this. So looks like it's this one. We'll delete the driver, and then we're able to just freely rotate this array to get it where we want. In fact, let's rotate this piece to start here. Let's rotate this one to end here, giving us a nice little tri-array, even with a terminated shortcoming at the beginning.